So I'm on a serious note today, but I just wanted to also come to you guys to tell you a little bit about myself and who I am and the way I think, because I want you guys to know I'm nothing special. I'm just an average person that works in healthcare that reached a point in her life that I was exhausted and burnt out and decided that I do not want to stay stuck in a position and a job that mentally and physically exhausts me. So I decided to do something different. My backstory, if you guys don't know it, you can kind of go through my videos, but I came across affiliate marketing, which is basically you're promoting or marketing a product for a business and you get paid when you make a sale. But that's not my point. I wanted to let you know that I struggle. I have ADD. I am not diagnosed with ADD, but I have a really hard time, you know, remembering something or reading something and comprehending it and then recalling it. So this here, to do these videos to build a business online, is really, really challenging for me. However, I'm doing this just because I have an obstacle in front of me. And maybe when I get on these videos and I try to make these videos, I completely forget why I even came to this video or what my message was. I know I have a delete button and I can keep doing it over until I'm satisfied with it. But I think it's really, really important. I don't really consider myself, the most intelligent person, and it doesn't take that. And that's why I'm here and that's why I'm being raw, because anybody can do this if you honestly work on it every day and you put your head down and you do little bits and pieces. You don't have to work on this solid for like 6-7 hours, but you do have to work on it, anywhere between 1, 2, 3, 4 hours a day. And that varies with everybody, again, depending on, how quickly you can do these videos or how quickly you absorb things. But for me, it's challenging. But I felt like I was ready to take on this challenge because I have the drive and I definitely have whys that are pushing me to do this. And the biggest thing, guys, think about it. I would rather hustle and give up some things that maybe like Netflix or scrolling here for hours on TikTok to put my head down and focus on a business for the next, 1, 2, 3 years and leave my 9 to 5 instead of staying stuck there for the next 20 years. I mean, think about it. If I can do it, you guys can do it.